welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use up all of your planters in Heartopia. So this is the layout that you want to use. So it's 9, 9, 9, 9, and 2, and 2. And then we are going to use this hedge here, and I'm just going to place around 3 here, and we're just going to place it like all around the area basically, and make sure none of it overlaps. Oh my gosh, I didn't even put it close enough to the planter. My bad, guys. Let me fix that. Actually, let me delete it because I feel like it's going to take longer to move it one by one than this. And then I'm just going to place it here. And again, all around the area. Was that close enough? There we go. It's also like easier to water this way. There we go. Then we're going to grab some pillars here. I think I'm going to use just the wooden pillar. Okay, I think that's a little bit too thin. Let me try this one. That is also too thin. Okay, let's add the wooden pillar here. And we're going to color that white, but you can like color it according to like your house color, I guess. But we're just going to close out the edges that we have here. Okay, then we're going to go to doors and we're going to grab the film stock archway. Archway, I don't know how to pronounce that properly still after all these years, but we're just gonna place 2 here. And here. Okay, that's great. And then we're also going to grab the one with the lamp, with the light, the European outdoor lamp, and we're just gonna place it like here next to each other. Whoops. And then one here and one here. And then I did get a bench. If you want to cover this up with like more items, you can, but I don't like how it covers up like when people are helping you water stuff. So I'm just going to add a bench here and then a bench, another one over here. And then you can like decorate it more with other things like where is it? Okay, it's in building materials. With bushes and the wildflower bush, like, you can put it everywhere if you'd like to. But it's not super necessary. So I'm just going to place this and I'll be right back with the finished results because this is going to take forever. I have to place it one by one. You can also rotate it to give like more variety if you'd like to. But yeah, I'll be right back. I decided to like make the fence a little bit different here, but this is the finished results. Again, you can add more stuff to it if you'd like to. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!